Good afternoon, everyone. We are live again. Let's start straight away. I will start refreshing. And we have been selling still a sell, okay? Still a sell. Have been selling before. I hope you hold until 80. We spoke about that on the call before. We came back on that range 80, went back again. If you put your TPs on 80, 40, 80, you book some profits before and you booking profits now again. Okay, I don't know if you had time to enter that one. Dropped to TP1 and is retracing, but let's just wait for the next 5 minutes now and we'll be able to go again. That went already for TP1, guys. That sell. I will be waiting for the next 5 minutes, okay? That could be a strong retracement. Remember, 1 hour is a big drop, and now is the change of hour. You can go and check the 50 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, and you can see straight away everything is telling you is a sell. Just be mindful now. We wait for the next 5 minutes. That can retrace to 88 to the top here. I don't want to be on that. Book your profits, move stop loss to break even, and we booked plenty of TPs on the session, on morning session. And again, if you hold it until 80, you made more profits as well. Khan will be with us soon. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you booking profit, share your profits. Let me know how your day is going. And let's get ready again. Let me know if you're ready for action. In another around 2 minutes, we'll be able to refresh again, okay? I start a little bit early to take those 5 minutes. I got that last drop before 1. It was nice to get those profits. Easy profits as well, because I went straight away to nice TPs. I didn't even have had the time to put my break even. I just booked the profits straight away. Those are the best ones. You don't wait and go straight away there. Okay, as you can see, it's retracing to 86, 87. That's I thought I will be doing. That's I didn't take that sell again. Just press the button, TP1, and that's it. Protect your capital, okay? Let's get ready. If you have your machine learning, put your machine learning on desktop version, go there, refresh when the time is appropriate. The time is the change of the 5 minutes is right now. It's still a sell, not as strong as before. It's still a sell, not as strong as before. If you go for it because we had a great sells before, great strong sells, that is the way to go as well, because we have been selling, but it's on that top of the range now. It's still green. Wait for the best entry. If you go for it, wait for the best entry, okay? Because we had sell before, very strong sells that can retrace back, but it's a crucial point that can carry on going up as well. Okay, just be patient. If you place it, and place only one entry on the best entry now. And make sure you protect your capital. If you enter already, make sure you put your stop loss, okay? And as soon as you're in good profit right now, it's going towards TP1. It's very fast, guys. Went to TP1, is coming back now. If you book profits, nice. If you know, you need to have your stop loss in place, okay? Or break even. Crucial point here, that can break that 88 and go up. And if it goes down, we'll retrace and then we can have nice profits. The way to approach that one is the way we approach all the time. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Right now, let's book some profits on that. And it's still going down. That is TP2, TP3 now. TP3. I have one entry on that one, went to TP3, guys. That's why sometimes you will have yellow. That's not too strong, but because we have been the last at least 3 was very strong sells. All of them were green, green, green. Because with scalping, I will go for it. Then you can always have a look on the 50 minutes to see what the 50 minutes is doing. Every 50 minutes, I will refresh as well. After I refresh the 5 minutes, I refresh the 50 minutes to see what the 50 minutes looks like. And then you can make a note. As you can see, I'm making a lot of notes all the time. Those are the points, okay? Especially on the 50 minutes, I like to make that notes. TP4, TP4. I'm booking the rest of my profits here. Okay, TP4, I close everything. You can keep open for TP5 if you want. We will be there soon if it is still dropping, okay? For now, I book my profits. TP4 was enough for me. We had plenty of TPs on the morning. I had some TPs between morning and afternoon. And that is enough for me. I will go slow now. I will have one entry. Try to go to the best entries only. And that's it. I'm only doing that because I'm here live with you guys. Otherwise, I will be done for the day, okay? But I don't want to waste that time. If I'm in front of a screen and I have the right environment, I will trade as well. But I will reduce my risk. As you can see, it's still around TP4, still pushing. Let's see if we will have TP5 on that one. We have been there already. As you can see, the lowest point for the day was 40.23. We have been there already. 76 is my TP, 76.50 is my TP5, and we are there now. TP5, if you didn't book TP4 with me, book your TP5. And if you want to leave a runner, it's absolutely fine, guys. If you refresh again, and if you went for it, was another strong sell, okay? As another strong sell is already on TP. If you're booking TPs on the last one, well done. Was another strong sell. We have been TP4, TP5, the last one. If you're holding, well done. You book more profits as well. Let me know how you're doing, if you book those profits, if you refresh on the right time. I was a little bit late to refresh because I was looking on the TP5 on the previous one. Great start of the session, guys. Let me know if you're booking those profits. Don't miss out. TP5, TP1. And it's still dropping. It's going towards TP2 now. Very fast market, guys. Book your profits. We have some news, 1:30. If you want to see the news, go to Forex Factory here on TradingView as well. If you click on the news, when we have the news like that, you can see the news as well, okay? PPI, and then you will be able to select your news and see that. I like to see the news on Forex Factory. But yeah, just be mindful. As you can see, it's retracing all the way back, If you put your trading there, you'll be out at break even. Don't leave open for a stop loss. We already got TP2 on that one, nearly TP3, TP5 on the previous one. Book your profit, guys, and move your stop loss to break even. And I will get ready for look that refresh. Another 1 minute and a few seconds, we'll be able to refresh again. That's the power of having your machine learning. You can generate your trading cards and you'll be able to take those trades with us. If you have any questions, any doubts, how to take it, how to place it, let us know. Let's get ready again. "30 seconds. If it's still red, the candle, and it's still selling, go for it. If it's retracing, that is the 5 minutes. Let me put the 1 minute. Yeah, let's keep the 1 minute open. If it's retracing, wait for the retracement. If it's not, if it's red and it's going down, you can go for it, okay? 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, is a sell. It's still a strong sell, guys. You can place your trades if you want to wait for that to go to the best entry possible. You can wait. Otherwise, it's still a sell. Make sure put your stop loss. We have some news now, 1:45 and 1:30. Okay, 1:45 will not affect much USD and gold, but 1:30 will. And the pre-news, if you go to the guidelines, every pre-news and after news, you need to stop and wait to use your trading cards, okay? We are here on the live. I will update you, but be mindful of that, okay? If you place those trades, straight away, put your stop loss, put your hard stop, whatever you decide to do. I'm going to stop loss on that one. I got a small stop loss. Had time to put that stop loss, wait to stop loss, okay? A tiny stop loss. We had TP5, nearly TP3, and now a tiny stop loss. Be mindful of the news. If you go on the guidelines, we supposed not trading on the news. I will update you, but just be really mindful. If you refresh on that time now, you need to decide to go or not. Okay, I will update you, but I will not go on those ones. I had a lot of profits on the day already. I'm going slow modes now. Let's say drop my risk, and also I'm waiting for only the best entries. Just heads up, news coming. I update you, but following the guidelines, we don't trade on news, okay? Red folders. If you're still holding that as hard stop or between hard stop and stop loss, you are in profits now. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. If you put your normal stop loss, you are out. 10, 20 pips tops. Okay? And if you're still holding, if you use your hard stop, you know what you need to do. Book your profits. Remember, we have some news to in 10 minutes. We had some news now, Euro news, red folders. We need to always look for USD, okay? USD news. Those are the ones affecting our trading. Time's flying. Time to refresh again. As you can see, still a sell. still a sell, very fast sell. If you're still holding the last one, great. If you place that straight away, great as well. Nearly TP2 already. TP2. I didn't place that one, guys. I didn't have time to place. If you refresh and press the button, you are on TP2. Okay. If you refresh and straight away press the button, follow the rules. What's a red candle? You don't think, you press the button. Okay. If it's a green candle, then you wait for a best entry. But on that case, was straight away a red candle and was dropping, and we just place the trade and make TP2 on that one. What you need to do next, protect your capital, move your stop loss to break even. If you took that last one, amazing, I'm happy for you. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay, break even should be around that point straight away. Is reaching that now. Don't wait that to go to your stop loss or hard stop. Okay, if you book the profits, job done. Your trade is fulfilled. You don't need to keep chasing, especially now. Be very careful, we have some news coming. The market could be more volatile, more faster. We know New York session sometimes moves the market very fast. As a scalpers, we need to be faster as well. Look what the market is doing now, just dropping all the way. If you're out at your break even, don't worry, you protect your capital. If you're not, you reach your stop loss because you didn't put your break even. If you're using your hard stop, you're still there. But remember what I told, we have some news coming now. The market could be very volatile. Let's be patient. Don't have the FOMO to press the button now. Just wait for the best entry, okay? You're still there if you're using your hard stop. That's okay. But using your hard stop, you exposure yourself more as well, okay? That's the only thing I can tell you. If you're using your hard stop all the time, absolutely fine, but you exposure yourself more often. Because instead to have 10, 20 pips loss, you can have 40, 50, 60 pips, okay? Let's get ready. Another 1 minute, we will refresh again. Remind you, we have some news coming up. In the next 6 minutes will be some news. That could be only the news was released before. They know the numbers and they are moving the market already. Let's go for it. Have your desktop version. When you see I'm looking for one side or another side, don't look at you. I have placing trades in some positions here, and then here I have my screen with trading view, a big screen with trading view on the back, and then I have my machine learning to refresh and help you and guide you through the trading cards. Another 10 seconds. Let's get ready. We will have a new trading card. Let's generate it. 3, 2, 1, and you go. It's still a sell. It's still a strong sell. It was a green candle before. Wait for it. See the points. You have plenty of time. And then you press the button. Okay, if you're selling now, just be mindful, news are coming now. News in 5 minutes, guys. The market can be very volatile. Make sure you put your stop loss, okay? Could be a very good entry, but you have the danger of the news. Like I say to you, if you follow step by step the guideline, you're not trading now. You're waiting for the news, and we trade after the news, okay? If you're trading now, be mindful of that. We have some news coming in 4 minutes. If you took that trade, you're already on nearly TP2. Book your profits and move as soon as you can your stop loss to break even, okay? As soon as you can, your stop loss should be at break even. If you want to take partials, or if you have 2 entries, one you close at CP1 and another one you keep there at break even, okay? That's the way. If you have a small account, is a way to help you to protect your capital and don't feel like you're missing out, because some of you are asking, Mateus, what I can do if I supposed to be at break even now, okay? Just remind you now. Let's say some of you asking, Mateus, I have only 1,000, I have only 2,000, 3,000, what I supposed to do? The best way to approach that when you don't have a huge capital is place twice. You can spread that on the range, or you can place the 2 trades, go to TP1, you close one very fast. Especially if you're using MetaTrader 5, it's very easy. As you can see, I'm talking to you, I'm closing trades, and then move the another one to break even. That means then you can hold it to TP2, TP3, TP4 if you want, okay? In that case, we are out of that one already, went to TP2, nearly TP3, but that's it. Be grateful, book your profits, and let's get ready to refresh again, reminding you news are coming now, guys. Now we are close to those news. Just be mindful, could be some volatility, fast movements on the market, okay? Be mindful of that. If you're mindful of that, you place your stop loss straight away, and you will be booking your profits straight away as well. Another minute, we'll be able to refresh again. Let me know if you're booking those profits. Comment, interact with me. It's really difficult to be only here by myself. I know some of you are with me today. Just let me know if you're booking those profits. We start very strong the session with TP5s, TP4s, getting some nice TP2s now. If you are fast enough, if you following what we are talking, you'll be absolutely fine. And time to refresh, reminding you, we will refresh. I'm not placing that trade. Some news are coming right now, okay? If a strong sell, a strong buy, I will update you, but I'm not taking that. I'm following the rules on the guidelines. It's still a sell. It's still a sell, guys. Still a sell was a red candle. What you need to do when it's a sell and a red candle, you don't overthink, you press the button and you book your profits. That went to TP2 straight away. TP2 straight away. News are coming. If you book your TP2, nice. If not, move your stop loss to break even, okay? If you want to keep stop loss or hard stop to move with the news, is up to you. I will not recommend you to do that. I will protect myself. Protect capital preservation is the key. Okay. As you can see, price is just retracing. And that could be your stop loss if you didn't put your break even and you booked your profits straight away. Let's see what the news brings, if we'll keep climbing now or dropping. We booked our profits if you did, and we are going to refresh again on another 4 minutes. As you can see, less than 1 minute we had TP2. Those are the markets I like, in and out, booking your profits, and that's it. I'm not placing those ones. I will wait. Let me know in the comments if you're placing those trades now. If you placed before, make some profits. If I'm helping you to understand and make those profits, just to try to improve as much as I can for help you really make those profits, okay? So you can see that it's dropping. We are out of that one already at break even. If that goes to TP3, TP4, TP5, we don't care. If you're using your hard stop, you still on that, but that is not the way we are approaching, because as soon as we are break even, we're supposed to be out of it, okay? That is our protection. Went very well, is dropping very well. It's dropping to TP4, that one now, TP4, but we got only TP2 on that one, okay? We don't have FOMO, we don't jump again, especially now with the news. Just wait. If you're approaching like we are approaching, moving your stop loss to break even, take those profits, absolutely fine. You're doing the right thing, okay? At some point you will have TP4s, TP5s like we had before, but the way we are doing, we really protecting the capital. That's the main goal. Capital preservation, then profits. Remember, if we don't have money to play the game, it doesn't matter. And if you have that mechanical approach, you're doing that all the time, it's so easy for you to approach the market in any situation, because you protect yourself, okay? You don't burn yourself. And if you don't have time to put the break even or whatever, close the trade. Click, close, but don't overthink, okay? If you struggle with MetaTrader 5, you're not having time to move your stop loss or whatever it is, don't stress. Just click on the trade and close your trade. Close always work, okay? If you click on the trade and press the button close, close, modify position, and that's it. Okay, let's refresh again. Time to refresh. Still a sell. Still a sell. Look, the range is a little bit up the range now. If it goes down, you can have your worst entry there. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity if it goes down, because the candle was red. The only time I will press that straight away if the candle is red. Okay, like now, candle was red and dropped straight away again on my numbers for TP2, but didn't come back on the range. Okay, I just want you to understand that didn't come back on the range. On the top of the range, was only on the bottom of the range, worst entry only, and went straight away to TP2. Can you see that, guys? That was happening on mine now. The range was 62, around 62.50, 64.50, and then stop loss 66.50, 44. I just put straight number to help you to understand. Then TP1 59.90, that's 60 for me, and then 58.14. As you can see, that came to the 58. Just one sec, I have one call now. I will be back with you. Book your profits and make sure your stop loss at break even, okay? $37. That went, like I said to you, went to TP2, came back to the range. That means break even. We don't chase the same one, okay? If you keep chasing, you will burn yourself, because at some point that will go to stop loss. As you can see, the range especially 5 minutes scalping, go on the right time, okay? Don't keep chasing. If we reach TP1, TP2 already, don't keep chasing the same one. We have the power to refresh again in another 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes. We wait for that, okay? As you can see, it's retracing. If you didn't put your stop loss or your break even, you'll be on your stop loss now. Not at hard stop, but at stop loss. You don't want that. You see the range, very narrow range. Book your profits, protect your capital. Then we will be able to be back again on the game in another 40 seconds. You can prepare your machine learning on your desktop version, on your phone, or whatever you want. If you have your Telegram on desktop version, it's easy for you to refresh there. And then you just need to press the button and book your profits as soon as you're in profit, okay?
Hey guys.
Hello, Kat. Welcome back.
Hey. Oh, sorry. Loads of family stuff to do.
Part of life.
How we doing?
Great. We had a nice TPs on the beginning of the session, and TP5s, TP4s, some of TP2s. Now, market is moving fast. We had some news I thought it will be big movements, but not. And now we still selling. We still selling. Green candle. Green candle.
We're
We still
selling.
selling. But just be careful. It's a green candle. Okay. Wait for the best entry and go for it.
Oops.
That is going to the entry zone, as you can see, but it's a green candle. Okay, that's how I told you. Be patient. Try to enter on the best entry only. On those situations is where I wait for that best entry and then I will use my hard stop. Only on situations like that. When you have a green candle, a very strong sell, then you can do that. Okay, don't keep doing that all the time. Use your stop loss most of the time. $68. Let's see. Where is the
So, can I just share my chart if that's okay?
yeah, go for your shot. Let me remove mine then.
It's okay. Don't worry. So guys, just want to talk to you about what's going on in the bigger picture. Look at it.
Add your chart, come. Just one sec. I
Oh,
will
sorry,
add
I've
to
not added. Oh,
Yeah,
I thought
yeah.
I had.
It's on the stage now. Oh, we did twice. Okay, you go for it.
Look at this now, right? So we were talking this morning about nothing to stop gold from coming down further. It's just a theory. Doesn't mean that that's what you should be trading, but it's just about education, right? Because that's what it's all about. So that's the day. So nothing much really, but that was a huge selling day yesterday. So if we then look on the hours, it's kind of little bit, yeah, the tendency is still down. Like I was saying this morning, there's nothing really to keep gold up at the moment. All the news is negative. So whilst I've been, doing some family stuff, I've still been trading, had some fantastic results, about 5% up, selling all the time, selling. So this is a retracement, and if something changes, then obviously something will change, and the markets do these things. But look at the trend. So
Yeah.
we have a fantastic service in terms of machine learning. It's intelligent. It works out what you need to do, but at the same time, there is some sensible stuff to do. Look at this. There you go. But a growing number of platforms now allow investors to earn returns on their holdings without selling them through gold leasing, blah, 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 blah. What this is doing is it's kind of diluting the proven theory that gold is a store of value. And by the way, this will all change again. But the trading that we're doing now with the machine learning is so intelligent. That's what we need to carry on with, and that's what we need to kind of continue our story with and our journey with. So, Mateus, all over to you, my friend.
Can you see that, guys? Can you see that
Yeah.
spike now? News are coming late. As you can see, it's just going all the way up. If you put your hard stop, you're not stopped yet, but just be careful, okay? The hard stop for me was 77.50. We nearly went there. I'm on that trade with you. You don't need to, you're not by yourself. And let's see if it drops. I will book some profits and move my stop loss to break even. Okay, if it goes to my hard stop, we'll go to my hard stop. And if you refresh again on that 5 minutes, you're still seeing the selling. Okay, you're still seeing a sell. I'm not placing another one until I am not out on the previous one. Okay, I'm not placing
I'm
another
gonna
one.
1 minute for you guys.
As you can see, the markets, the news are coming. Sometimes it's happen. We have movements like that after 15 minutes. They have some time to digest the news, and then we'll have spikes like that. And as you can see, that is going to my hard stop. Let's see. Yeah, it's nearly reaching that. Is reaching now. Okay, that was my hard stop on the previous one. Now I can stop and wait and refresh again. Okay, guys, no emotions, nothing. It's just the market telling us could be a change of direction. I just think it's a rectification. I still think it's going down, but we never know. Let's see on the next refreshment when we refresh again, and we will see where the market is going.
Well, it's rising right now, yeah?
It's rising nicely. If you're using the 50 minutes, you're still on that range. As you can see, the range on 50 minutes is massive. You have time to think about, you have time to press the button. And if you want something like that, refresh every 50 minutes. If you want something like we are doing now, scalping in and out, then use the 5 minutes. Right now, 47, 12:47. We still have few minutes there, waiting for refreshing again and see the direction.
5 minutes, yeah. That's all liquidity over here.
Yeah.
You may want to get up there.
It's like I said, I still think that is a sell, but let's wait for a strong sell again, okay, on the 5 minutes.
There's a massive sell, just dropped considerably. Can't see it on the 5 minutes, can't see it on these charts. There you go.
Yeah. Okay, another minute and a half that can retrace all the way.
Of course.
Or can go on that top as well, guys. Can come all the way to that top on the 40.86. We have been there already. It's easy to go there again. We just need to be patient on situations like that. Don't revenge. You don't need to go against you lost one, you put your stop loss, or you hard stop, you lost it. You don't need to go straight away again. Have a peace of mind, see where the market is going. We're nearly on the 2 hours. Remember, we're nearly on the 2 hours. And it's retracing on the hour. It's retracing nicely now. If you put the 1 hour, you can see straight away.
That's the 1 hour?
Yeah, the wick is leaving behind.
As soon as you say that, it drops.
Yeah. Okay, red for action. Have your machine learning, your powerful tool to refresh. Yeah, massive wick. Okay, guys, neutral. That was expect to be neutral because we have a massive sell, then big spike now. It's neutral. If you look the numbers, is a buy because of the chippies. You can see it's a buy, but I'm not buying now. We just wait another 5 minutes. Okay, be patient. Don't go straight away.
Yeah, I'm not convinced it's a buy, Matthias.
No, I think so. Will be a drop again. It's a big
100%.
week to be filled.
Mhm.
A big week,
Yeah.
a big week on the hour to be filled. That could be a sell. That's why it's neutral. We don't have a strong direction now. What you do when it's neutral? Go grab a cup of coffee, tea. You have your toilet break, jump, or do whatever you want to do, but don't press the button. Now it's raining. Otherwise, if I'm by myself, it's a neutral. I had a hard stop or a stop loss. I go on the trampoline, few bounces, then I get back. Release some tension and get back.
It is awful weather outside, by the way.
The weather is a proper, I don't know. That is
British.
springtime.
Matthias,
Looks like
it's British
yeah.
weather.
looks like winter today. I even have the heater on.
Well, you are Brazilian, so it's understandable.
Yeah, I really need the heater. Okay, 52. We still have sometimes, as you can see, it's hanging there. We don't know the direction. That can go to 90, 40, 90, or can drop again to fulfill that a week on the 1 hour. We will see that soon. Okay,
Indeed.
we will see that soon.
I'm not convinced of this breakout. Are you, Matthias?
I think so. Will be a fulfillment of the week again on the next
Yeah,
hour.
I think so. Yeah, I
think
agree
so.
with
Will
you.
be will drop again, but we never know. Let's protect ourselves. So stop loss there. If we have a sell, always stop loss. Doesn't matter if you're thinking that will drop again.
Need your parachute, right?
Yeah, sometimes we always have a
Always.
great golden nuggets. Like if you hold that trade that we had before to 80, we went twice to 80 today. 40, 80. Remember on the beginning of the session, on the morning session, we had that 80. Now we're fighting to go up of that 80. You can imagine that. How change, how things change.
Where was that?
On the morning session, we have
Oh
been
yeah,
selling,
yeah.
we have been
But look,
selling.
it
We thought
drop.
hold
That
to
Vixen
80.
Almost totally been taken out.
Yeah,
Yeah. Look at the size of this wick on this candle. There's nothing left. And we're what, 54? Yeah. 6 minutes off the hour. It could cancel it all out. And the next hour could sell it all. There you go. It's all about gone now.
yeah, it's getting green now.
It's a green candle now.
Okay, let's
Incredible.
get ready for refreshing, guys. Last 5 minutes on the hour. As you can see, massive drop, and it's getting back to green.
Yeah, we'll get back to that. Look at that. All the way down here. Now
Let's
all the way
see.
back. Hence your stop losses, right? Your stops.
Okay, guys, is a buy. Is a buy now. It's not neutral anymore. You can go for it if you want. I'm waiting for the next one because it's a buy, is a transition from sell to buy. You can wait or you can go if you went TP1 already. TP1
Wow.
already. Yeah, straight away TP1. I'm not touching my phone. We had made great profits this morning. Like holding my thoughts. Look, nice one. TP2 is going towards TP3 now. That is the power of machine learning, guys. Changing direction. Have been selling neutral, now a buy and straight away to TP2.
No
Okay.
human that psychologically it's so difficult to change.
Have someone on the door can come back now in 2 minutes. As you can
No
see,
problem, Tess.
I was holding my thoughts.
So guys, take care of yourselves. If you're in, your TPs and your stop losses should be set. And I'm not convinced that it's a bull market as in it's going up, so be careful. Be very, very careful. Or loads and loads of false breakouts. Look, you see, all of a sudden, it reverses. So take your profits when they're available. The market is the market. We can't do anything about that.
As you can see, nice TP.
And react.
Nice TP2, nearly TP3 on that one, but now it's back where it has been before.
Interesting, right?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments if you took that buy. The numbers, as you can see, 54%, 61, 56. Not strong enough for me to go, but sometimes it's like that. Sometimes you have numbers like that, and it straight away goes to TP4, TP5. Then you need to have your rules and stick with your rules. You don't need to copy each of them. You don't need to go for each of them, okay? The number were not strong. I want a clear direction for buy, you know, a very strong buy, then we go for it. If it goes to stop loss is there to protect you, okay?
Now, Matthias, I was saying whilst you were answering the door that I'm not convinced this is a breakout in the upper direction. So that candle here, I took a lovely little 20 pip scalp on that.
Yeah.
But that's experience, by the way. Yeah, you don't need to wait for the indicators. But
yeah,
look, there you go. You just have no idea what it's going to do.
Yeah, that's why you need a very strong direction confirmation in order to go for that fully prepared, you know. Then you can say, look, a green candle is telling me to buy, very strong, I go for it. A red candle is still a strong buy, I wait for the best entry. I think so. As long as we keep doing the same thing, you'll be always blue, okay? That's the main thing. That's the main thing.
No, Matthias, you won't be blue, you'll have blue waves.
Blue waves, yeah.
I remember when we first started trading, we used to talk about blue waves. What do we want? Blue waves.
That's it. Okay, let's get ready. We will refresh again. Remember, 2 hours. Now it's 2 o'clock. Change hour. It's changing hour. We had a massive drop. We need to see something strong now. It's a buy, not strong for me, guys. You can go for it if you want. Not strong for me yet.
No, Matthias? Why is
No.
that? Why would you say that?
56, 62, 58. I need confirmation, especially when we change direction. I want 65 and above.
Okay. In what way you mean direction? Have we been buying or selling? Because obviously I missed the last.
We have been selling before.
Okay.
It's a change of direction. The machine learning is thinking is changing direction. Is going to buy now, be on buys. But because we have been selling, if it's a sell market, very strong sell market, and we have something like that.
So. I agree with you.
If it's a sell market, we have been selling a lot of strong sells, and we have something like that, 56, 62, 58. I will go for the sell. I don't have any issue. But because now we have a change of direction and we saw the last hour very strong sell, I will be waiting for a very strong buy before I press the button.
That's really interesting because I'm of the same opinion as you.
Yeah.
I think the market overall is coming down.
I think so as well, because look, the last hour is a massive wick, a massive candle there. Why
well, let's say the hour. Let's check it out.
Yeah,
there it is.
Look, yeah,
it's gonna fill all this.
Yeah,
it's gonna fill all of that at some point.
We finish the hour as a green, but that doesn't mean we are going up, because it's still overall setup is still looking down.
Bearish,
yeah. That's why I didn't place that buy. Okay.
It's a tough one though, Matthias. That's a good one to call from your point of view. Look.
It's going to TP1. It's at TP1 already.
Yeah.
But went nearby the stop loss as well. It's really strange one. Look, it's your call, guys. We are here to help you, to guide you. I'm doing the way I'm doing for buying myself. Okay.
It is a very difficult market this afternoon.
Yeah. We had TP5, we have TP4, some of TP2s. If you book those,
if you look at the hour, it did nothing last hour. It's buying, but we don't know. It's very early, 2 minutes into this hour. So let's see what she wants to do.
TP2, if you talk that one, if you talk that one is TP2, guys. Move your stop loss to break even, okay? Please. Let's see if he's really changing direction, if he's going to that point.
It is rising there, Matthias. Look, there's undoubtedly, regardless of what you and I think.
Yeah.
Right, there it is. Yeah, 57. Okay. It's now 80, 84, 85, 67, 77. That's 250 pips up.
It's still not strong by that's why. But we have now we had three buys. If the next still buy, then is could be a confirmation that we change direction. We're going up again. Even if it's not strong, but because it's continuously going up, then you can see that.
Yeah, here's your 5-minute chart. So it did all of this liquidity grab here somewhere, came down, then came all the way down. It's going back up now. It'll probably end up there somewhere. Right?
Around 90 something.
Yeah. And it's been comfortable there last few days.
And it's going slow, is low as well. That is good. It's not like very fast. It's strange for New York because we'll see a lot of movements on New York.
About 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm still not convinced that it's a buy. Personally speaking.
Okay, guys. As you can see, it's still a buy. You have the range. Wait for the best entry. Okay, if you go for it, it's not strong enough. Wait for the best entry and then you decide to go for it or not. Make sure you put your stop loss. Okay. As you can see, it's dropping. If you buy now, wait for the best entry.
Don't buy on a dropping candle.
Yeah, and put your
okay. Do not enter the market for a buy. Now it's a different story. Okay.
Yeah. Use that candle to get the best entry as possible. Okay, when it's a drop candle like that, like we did now. We wait for that candle to finish, start a green one, go for it, and then you move your stop loss to break even. Okay, it's not on TP1 yet because we wait for that best entry. You can move your stop loss to break even. Then now you start to decide to take profits or not. Small profits on the table there. If you wait for TP1, my TP1 is at 83. 83. As you can see, nice 8 entry points. It's good to have patience to enter, guys. 82, 83. Okay, guys. TP1, book your profits.
Brilliant.
It's going there.
Well done.
Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Now you're risk-free. You have a good entry if you want to. The remaining to go to TP2, TP3 is absolute up to you, but it's at break even straight away. If you didn't book your profits, it's at break even straight away. Not stop loss, guys. Not hard stop. Break even. Okay, you book your profits. Nice entry point. We were patient for that price to come back, and we enter it and we book the profits.
So look at the 1 minute now. There you go. Just ease it off.
That was
very, very difficult market to trade, isn't it?
Yeah, but between that you got 30 pips to 40 pips. Only on TP1 you got all that price. Okay, guys, that's why it's important for you to book those profits. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. And Canva's telling you, wait, don't buy yet because the candle is red. Wait for the next candle and then you go for it. And we wait, we press the button when we start the new candle, and boom, boom. In few minutes, you had your TP1 nearly 40 pips for some of you. Depend of your, it's depend of your entry, of course. That was a nice TP, guys, and nice protection as well. You move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. And on that case, I advise you to put your stop loss at break even before taking TP. Can you see that? Protection against TPs.
No, great guidance, Mateus. Look at that. So there you go.
Now can go to TP2, TP3. If you're out at break even, you don't care. Don't have the FOMO to press the button again, okay? Because in less than 1 minute, no, 10 seconds, we will refresh again. Can you see the power of it, guys? Yeah.
So we were talking about this area here, this zone. Look at that. Going into it, right? It may stop, We don't really know. But that's what we talk about.
Okay, guys, as you can see, if you refresh a strong buy, the numbers are improving now. It's still a buy, okay? Wait. Can you see the candle is red? Wait for the best entry and press the button. The candle is red. Wait for the best entry. If that goes to stop loss straight away on that candle, you don't need to enter. Or if you enter, use your hard stop. Okay? As you can see,
Who's on? Say hello. Yeah, who are you? Where are you from? Where are you watching us from? Are you in our system? Are you with our broker? Are you able to get these trade cards yourself? So be nice. There's a few of you on. Well, you're great to get to know people. So as you know, we trade ourselves, not always. I've been trading this morning, traded during the break, even though I was traveling, and trading now with you guys.
As you can see, guys, the candle was red. You wait for it. It's coming to the stop loss. If you didn't place the trade, if you still want to go on that one, on that buy, you need to use your hard stop, okay? That's the importance of waiting for those candles. Especially when it's red and you buy, wait for that to change color. You don't need to rush, like now. Now is a good time to enter. Even if it retraces, is a green candle. It's a potential buy, okay? Then, of course, you need to use your hard stop for that one now.
Matthias, what's the difference between the two stops? You talk about hard stop and you talk about the other stop. What is that, please?
Stop loss and hard stop. The hard stop will be something to protect you more, but will be out of that range. The best entry will be on the another entry. The entry, okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can use that, but not all the time. Okay, don't get used to the hard stop, because the hard stop is massive. You will have a big range for stop loss. The only thing, you have a huge range for stop loss, but if you keep using that often, of course, if you get hard stop often, you'll be not doing the right thing, because if you're booking only TP ones and you go for hard stop, will take you a long time to recover that.
Definitely.
That's why it's important to make that decision only in some circumstances, not all the time. Okay. Price retracing back again, guys. As you can see, if you
hard retrace.
If you have your hard stop, that will be your hard stop. 75. 50 is the hard stop. Is there already.
That's the importance of having stop losses and hard stops, and that's your parachute, so that it doesn't blow your account.
As you can see, that can be a change direction again. We came back to the top to test, and now is retracing. Let's see if it will be a sell, because I still think overall time on the day will be a sell.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Huge candle, just wiped out the last 5-10 minutes of gains. Hence your stop losses, hence your TPs. So you have a defined outcome and you already know what's going to happen. The worst loss, the worst profit, brilliant. Nothing can affect your account if you're following that procedure.
Yeah. Hard stop, stop loss, always trade with those. Still buying. Not that strong buy that I want to see, but it's still buying, okay? Just be mindful of that.
That's the 5 minutes. Let's go to the one. Yeah, got a little retracement. See what if that's gonna go back up there and do that, or it's gonna like. It's really moving now, isn't it, Matthias?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, you can't see it on this. It's too slow, but you can see it on your account. So we have about 45 minutes to go on our session today. I hope you've been profitable and hope you like what we're doing. And please like and subscribe to our channel. That's the only thing we ask you for. We do this for free every single day because we really want to build a community of people, community of traders, and it actually helps our trading. I really love trading and it really, really helps me. I trade one of my accounts every day. If I can, I'm about 7% up today, which is phenomenal. Not always the case.
As you can see, the buy went to TPs. If you book your profits, move your stop loss to break even, because overall could be a drop again. Let's see the hour. 50 minutes past the first, 70 minutes past the first hour. If you refresh the hour as soon as we change the time, the direction, you can see where that is going now. And wait for that 5 minutes and you refresh again. Could be a change of direction on my point of view. Let's wait for it. It's not strong
Let's see the
buy.
5 minutes. There you go.
It's not a strong buy, and you can see the candle on the 5 minutes. Very strong candle for sell.
Look at that 1 hour, Matthias.
Yeah, the 1 hour is.
You were talking about this 2 minutes ago that it could do all of this. Look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's be patient on that buy. It's not a strong. You book your profits, great. Move your stop loss to break even straight away and get ready for potentially sell on the next one, because the 5. Can you put the 5 minutes for me? Please?
Of course, Matthias. There you go.
Can you see that candle on the top of the candle? Very strong sell on the 5 minutes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That candle took like 5 minutes straight away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done.
Yeah. That's why let's be patient and let's see the numbers on the next one. But I still think long term today will be a sell. But we never know. If it's a buy, a strong buy, we go for a buy, okay?
Let's get to the 1 minute, Matthias, because I think it's selling again. Yeah, it's selling again.
Yeah, it's forming that range, you know. It's just get ready now. The candle is red. If it's a sell, go for it, okay? Don't overthink. If it's a buy, then you need to wait because it's a red candle now. 7, 6. As you can see, guys, it's a sell. Wait for that range. is a green, is could retrace to the top of that range here, is a green. But it's changed direction. As you can see, it's a sell now. It's not a buy anymore. Wait patient. As you can see, it's a green candle can come to the top of that range 77. Now it's going towards that. Let's wait for the next one to see a red candle. Yes.
This is selling Mateus.
Yeah.
Yeah, market selling.
If you're on that trade, you can see the candle now. And let's protect yourself as soon as you can and book your profits, okay?
Yeah, take the money off the table, right?
Yeah.
Into your account. Because whilst we talk about all of this, nobody really knows what's going to happen.
Yeah.
So if there's money on the table, take it.
As you can see, the price is coming back to that area, 77. If you have your stop loss, put your stop loss and put your hard stop, whatever you want to put, but protect yourself, okay? It's breaking that again, 78. I am on that trade, guys, with you. I will use my hard stop. I still think it's a strong sell. If we go to fulfill all that wick on the candle on the 1 hour, it's still a strong sell, okay? It's up to you, it's your call. If you're using your stop loss, maybe you reach your stop loss. Stop loss will be 10, 20 pips. That's absolutely fine. As long as you wait for that 77, okay? If you are with me, I will be waiting for a sell.
Yeah, wait for the system.
Yeah.
It will tell you.
Another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again. If you're using your stop loss, 10, 20 pips, absolutely fine, guys. You protect yourself, you're doing the right thing. Just let's wait for refreshing again. If you're using your hard stop, like I'm using the hard stop only on that situation now, I'll be waiting for take some chippies, okay? Or hard stop. I have only one entry on that one. I wait. Remember, green candle, I was telling you, can come back to 77, and we are there now. If you wait patient, you are in a good position, you're still in a good position. And we'll be able to refresh again. As you can see, it will be a really nice profit if that goes down. If not, It's a neutral now, guys. It's neutral. If you are positive like I am now, I'm closing some profits. I enter 77, it's 73 now. I'm booking some profits, okay, guys? Especially because it's neutral now.
That's the key. Book the profits.
Yeah, especially because it's neutral. If you want to hold for TP1, TP1 was at 71. But move your stop loss to break even, okay? TP1 was 71. Move your stop loss to break even. I booked some profits already. And my stop loss is at break even.
Look at the hour now. We were talking about this.
Yeah.
This wick here. Yeah. Eventually gets filled. That doesn't mean today or tomorrow. We just follow the system.
As you can see, neutral, we have been on the sell. We booked some profits. We didn't wait for TP1. Nearly came to TP1, as you can see, came on the back of that range 72, 50, but it's coming back again to the top. Okay, that's why we don't leave money on the table. We enter. If you're waiting with me, we enter at 77, nearly at stop loss for some of you. Then if we enter on that point, still waiting for a strong sell, you put your hard stop. There's no point for you to put stop loss because we'll be close to your stop loss. Then what you do is, as soon as you're in profit again, don't wait for TP1. 77 to 73, I booked my profits already. I didn't wait for that 71. Okay, then you move your stop loss to break even, and now I'm break even. Not stop loss, not waiting for anything, at break even, and that's it.
Brilliant. Beautiful trading test.
It's just patience and understand the system, understand how to use the best way those trading cards. Okay, they are here to help you. It's a lot of guidance. You just need to press the button, but sometimes you will need to play with the hard stop and stop loss. Okay, you will need to make those calls, those decisions. And let's get ready for refresh again. Another 2 minutes. Let me know, guys, if you're booking those profits. That should be a break even, not stop loss, not hard stop. Hard stop, by the way, that was 83 on that one. 83. I don't want to wait for that 83 at all.
Reverse all the way back.
It's very easy to make the money on the machine learning or any system when we have a trading market. If you're going down, 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 or going up, 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 it's very easy to keep the trending, your friend. But when it's ranging like that, change the direction is quite more challenging. Okay, that's why you need to trust the system. If the numbers are there, go for it. Okay, if it's neutral,
the hour is still selling, and that is wicking back now, so we don't know what's going to happen there. And we don't really care, to be honest with you. There's a 5 minutes, massive candle down, another one down, up, up, up. And this is why we have this system. It will teach you, it will just follow it, and it will get something wrong. No guarantees here. It's your account. You have to make the decisions, but we're here to interpret that system, just to say, hey guys, do this, do this, do this, yeah, or look at this, look at this, look at this. And it's education for free. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Educate you guys, There's a cost of living crisis. Wages are rubbish. You cannot make ends meet working for somebody else these days. This is one of those ways where we get to do this on our terms. Okay? Look at this now.
Yeah.
We've been saying for about an hour now, Matthias, it's a selling market, it's a selling market, it's a selling market, right? It keeps trying to climb up, but it can't.
Yeah. It struggled to climb up and it's pushing down. As you can see, 5 candles going up on the 1 minute, then one straight candle takes everything out. It's still selling. On my point of view, it's still selling. If you refresh, you could have neutral. Then if you wait for 15 seconds, you can refresh again. It's still on that range, 30 seconds to refresh, and then you have a sell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take those trading cards and just follow them.
Yeah. I'm not going on that one. I'm just waiting. As you can see, it's not strong. And if you refresh on the 15 minutes as well, or on the half an hour, you can see it's still selling. It's still selling. That helps you to get the overview of where the market is going as well. On the next 50 minutes, on the next half an hour.
I want to talk to you about something now. So we're on the brink of asking the International Monetary Fund for help. This is what third world countries do. This is the state of our economy. Labour risks being forced to seek emergency help from the International Monetary Fund as Britain lurches towards a debt crisis. Leading economists have warned. So this is where the country's at. Right? Screw that. Because there is the economy, there is your economy. And we want us not to be a part of any of that nonsense, okay? We want to do something about what we're doing. We want to make money trading, following these amazing signals and this amazing trade cards. And we want us to be really, really filthy rich. What do you think, Tess? Fancy filthy rich?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, baby. Okay, as you can see,
it's
market is still trying to push. You see the range. You can see straight away the struggle on the range on the 1 minute. It's still pushing and then comes down straight away. Just wait for a very strong one, okay? We're still selling, but let's wait for a very strong one, because otherwise you get caught and then you need to keep using your hard stop and there's no points for it, okay?
Well, it's ranging, isn't it, Matthias? Here from 1413, 1433, it's just ranging. It's doing nothing really. So it's very tight.
Yeah.
And that's when it keeps hitting your stop losses, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, if you're using your only stop loss on those ranges, it's difficult. But if you can see the range and you wait patient to go to the top of the range and place your trades, then you can use your hard stop, because then is time for sell. Okay, on that situation, we had the range between here 8 and 82. When I refresh and we wait, straight away we went to 81.60 and the stop loss on that one was 83. As you can see now, that is TP3 straight away. But I'm trading on the range, okay? I'm trading now on the range, using that range as your friend to guide you to see where is the bottom, where is the top. At some point we'll break through. That's why you need to have your hard stop and your stop loss, because at some point we going all the way down or all the way up, okay? But while we are on that range, book your profit.
Let me just show you guys. This is what's going on now. Of the day, look at the wicks on the end of that day.
We're on the middle.
It's going to do all of this.
Yeah. And
but
as you
we keep trading on the 5 minute trade card. That's the time. Sometimes 5 minutes doing, look at that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, done nothing.
It's doing
Try
nothing.
to climb
Yeah.
up, then straight back down.
It's a fight now between the buyers and sellers. We are on the middle of that because you can see on the daily, you can see on the 5 minutes, you can see on the 1 minute that struggle. But the only thing is use that trend as your friend as well. Can you see the range? Use that range as your friend on the 1 minute, especially on the 1 minute. If it's on the top of the range, it's telling you to sell. And if you are in good position, go for it. Okay. Is the way when I refresh, I got that really nice point, 80, 81, and went straight away down to the bottom of that range. And that was TP3 straight away.
Okay, guys, I need to go and get something, some delivery nonsense or whatever. Excuse me for 5.
Okay. As you can see, it's coming back to the top of that range. Use the range as your friend. It's breaking that now. That's why the stop loss and hard stop is important, because we are on that situation now that can go up. We have been there already on the day. As you can see, we have been 41.18 and 40.23. We are on the middle of that day today. If you go on the daily, you can see straight away the candle. We are on that middle. You can see on the 5 minutes, that fight on the 5 minutes. You can see on the 1 minute, it's trying to push up and get stopped there and come back. But we don't care. As you can see, if you refresh again, you went straight away. I didn't have to update you. Straight away to TP3 in one go. That's why it's important for you to have that power to generate your trading cards. If you're not doing that yet, let us know. We can help you with that, okay? Generating your trading cards and book your profits. You can see the shock is taking on the top of that and it's coming down. It's just a fight, okay? But at some point that will break through, up or down, okay? Just be mindful of that. Just be mindful of that. At some point we'll break that down, either on the top or on the bottom, and we will go up or down. That's why it's important. Why we're having a lot of neutrals as well is because of that formation now, that range. Top of the range, down again. As you can see, 3 candles up, 2 candles down. At some point, we'll break that 72 or the 80, 81. As you can see, Kananai, still that is coming down, but we don't care. We will see where the trading cards is telling us to go. We go for it, okay? If you sold before, you went straight away to TP3 and then break even. Not stop loss, not hard stop, break even, okay? That's the rule. As you can see, the range again is coming back to the top of it. Let's be patient, guys. Another 10 seconds. Get ready to refresh, okay? Get ready to refresh. It's coming back. 3, let's go. We selling.
Yes.
Okay, guys,
I'm
we're
going to talk to you
selling.
guys about something. Mateus, when you got a second, just let me know and I can talk about something. That
Okay,
doorbell was the most interesting doorbell somebody's rang all year.
okay, TP1 is going towards
Brilliant.
TP2. TP1, guys, book your profits and move your stop loss. Is going faster. We don't want to retrace back to that range. We want to be out of that range, please. I hope we get out of that range now. On the sell. Looks like yes. Let's see. It's going towards TP2. Book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. Let's see if that is breaking the range now and we're going
There she goes.
on the sell. Okay. You reach TP2 straight away, guys. If you saw the numbers, you reach TP2 is coming back. Your stop loss at break even, okay? Stop loss at break even and book your profits. At least we are out of that range. I hope so. That doesn't come back to that top of the range again.
Well, it's here now. Look at it.
Yeah. We need to go down.
We're going to fulfill this. Yeah. Have you got 5 minutes?
Yeah, just keep holding, guys. If you have break even, go for it.
It's okay. I can talk about this another time. Oh wow!
We have the profits already.
I'll do this. So I live in a private estate, and nobody ever comes around here. There's a door, and there's lots of junk. It's full of rubbish from refurbishment and stuff that we've been having for over 2 months. Knock on the door, and I normally think it's a delivery or they're dropping something off. Guy knocks on the door. Hey, I've noticed lots of metal in the skip. Can I take it? And I said, are you Indian? Where are you from? He said, I'm Romanian. How long have you been in the country? It's 5 years. So what do you do? He said, I just have this lorry and I just look for metal, then I go and sell it. I said, knock yourself out. Just don't damage my driveway. Take all the metal you want. And he said, thank you so much. I'm really, really grateful. In a time when we think entrepreneurial spirit and business and all the rest of it is dead in our country, it's alive. Yeah, it's just people that are willing to take the initiative and going out there to do what they want. That's what I want for you guys. As traders, take the initiative, do what you want, make the money, and then live well. I cannot believe that's happened here where I live. Not because there's something special about where I live. It's just that it's so far off the beaten track that I cannot believe that these guys are running around in a little van and collecting scrap, basically, that costs them nothing. And they're going to turn that into money. That's what we want to do. We want to be entrepreneurs, want to think outside the box, because thinking inside the box is getting us absolutely nothing at this moment in time. Let's get back to trading.
Retracing, that's important. Your break even, okay, is retracing. And now you'll be able to refresh again another less than 1 minute. We'll refresh again, okay? Thank you very much, Cam, for that input.
It was just impromptu, Mateus. I mean, you know where I live, right?
Yeah.
You don't expect that kind of stuff. Nothing wrong with it, by the way. It's just that it's so far off the beaten track. And I can't believe it.
Yeah. But that is when you have that mindset, you go for it. That is the key.
Human spirit, the entrepreneurship is still alive.
Yeah. Okay, guys, 10 seconds. Have your trading card ready for refreshing machine learning. Let's use that power again. Let's take some pips. Refreshing.
Last 15 minutes.
And as you can see, changing again,
Here she
is
goes.
a buy. Just be mindful of that. Wait for that retracement. Is a buy. Go for it.
Wow.
Go for it, guys. It's a buy. I'm buying. TP 4.
Brilliant.
TP 5. TP 5 is straight away. That was a really fast buy, guys. I really hope you got that. Book operations, close positions. That was a nice one, guys. I hope so you got that as a buy. I told you to go for that because it was a strong buy. For me, was a strong buy, guys.
And then look what it does.
Candle green, strong buy, go for it. Straight away to
Disappears
TP5. Straight away to TP5. More than TP5 for me, more than TP5. I hope so you booked that. Was easy, faster, and straight to the point. Don't overthink when we change directions, okay? If it's a strong buy, go for it, okay, guys? If it's a strong buy, go for it. Now you are at break even, TP5 on your pocket. You didn't have time to close the 2 positions. I closed the positions all together. That was 87.27 TP5.
Some news, obviously, Matthias.
We didn't have news now.
Something's happening in the market.
We didn't have news. The news was 1:30.
There's 1 up 3. Yeah, maybe it's reacting to something.
Yeah. Let's
Interesting.
see. I don't know, but book your profit.
We don't care.
TP5. Oh, we need to care a little bit.
Amazing.
We need to understand, but on the other hand, book your profits and be grateful
We just
for
need
that.
to make money.
Yeah, TP5. Make it simple. Book your profits. You have the machine learning telling you, go for it. Was not major news, not red folders or anything. We just booked TP5 in 1 candle. 1 minute candle, TP5. That was great.
Incredible. That
Guys.
was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. And it's still going up.
Yep. If you're still holding, you'll be able to book more profits there, guys. Let me see on the 1 hour where we are going towards now. We're going towards the... Okay. If it's still pushing up, guys, that can go up to 41 again. 41.10.
Easily.
As you can see, the price, the top of the price on the day was 41.18. And we have been on the bottom. If it's changing direction, we can go easily to 40, 41, 41.10 again. But as you can see, it was a big change. Selling straight away broke that range, and a strong buy, go for it, okay? That's I like the 5 minutes. We don't have those change straight away on 15 minutes, half an hour, but on the 5 minutes we can have it.
Back again.
Yeah, let's refresh. We'll be able to refresh in 30 seconds. Get ready for that. I hope so you got at least TP1, TP2. You didn't have time to book TP1, TP2. That went from 0 to hero straight away to TP5.
That's the nature of heroes, right?
Green candle, strong signal, press the button. Don't overthink, okay? If it's low signal, it's low trading cards, I understand, but was really nice one. Still a buy. Still think it's a buy, guys. Green candle is still a buy. Book your profits. TP1.
Oh my god, look at that.
TP1, TP2, TP2, and it's going towards TP3. TP3, guys. Let's see if it breaks that. Will be TP4, TP5 again. Just book your profits for now and move your stop loss to break even. Don't wait for that to retrace, okay? Close your profits and move your stop loss to break even. If you have 2 entries, then you can leave the another one. You can see the candle. The candle is very strong candle. You don't have any wick on the 1 minute candle. Just went straight away. I booked my profits on
What
TP3.
amazing trading to end the session.
Another nice way to finish the session. TP5, TP3, and let's see if that doesn't come back to your break even. Is a potential TP4, TP5 again, guys.
So there's the hour. Look at that. It was down here when we last looked at this. Look what it's done.
And we thought that will be a drop. Could be a potential drop. Dropped halfway and is coming back. Yeah, halfway and is coming back to TP4.
That's why you need these tools to trade.
Yeah. Can you see that?
Always guiding you.
If it's my point of view, I will be waiting for that sell all the time, because I was thinking that will be will go to fulfill that candle. Can you see the power of machine learning?
But there's obviously been something that's gone on.
Yeah.
Because this thing here takes news.
Yeah.
To move the market like a couple of pips is like billions of dollars. But that's not our business, right? We just follow the technology.
Our business is to book profits. Learn how to press the button, learn how to protect yourself, and book your profits. As you can see, straight away TP3 again on that one. It's still hanging there. It's still hanging there. It's a potential TP4, TP5. But right now you booked your profits and you have your stop loss at break even, okay? If it goes to TP4, TP5, you still have 1 entry, then you book more profits. If it comes back, you're out and happy because you book profits.
What a market, eh? What a day.
Amazing day, guys. A lot of profits, some of stop loss. Part of the game is there to protect us, but really nice profits. If you book some of those TPs, you'll be in nice profits for the day already. And try to think about percentage, 1, 2, 3% a day. Try to think as a percentage, especially now. Most of you is starting with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. If you start with 5K, 10K plus, then you will see those numbers, the big numbers that everyone wants to see. But if you start with small capital, it's normal, okay? And I understand why you want to start with small capital. You want to trust the system, you want to use it and test it, absolutely fine, okay? But as soon as you start to see the potential of it, if you're making profits all the time, then just raise it to make sure you boost your account.
What a day of trading, Matthias.
Let's refresh for the call, guys. Let's see what we have.
What are we doing?
Let's 5, 4,
3,
2, 1, go. It's still a buy, a strong buy, guys. It's still a buy, strong buy, and as you can see, the candle is green. What you need to do, you buy and you put your stop loss. Okay? You buy and you put your stop loss.
Protect yourself.
Protect yourself and go
Yeah.
for it. You have the entry points. If you want to wait for that best entry, you can. But because we have been very fast on that market, it's good to have one entry already. Okay, you can have another entry later on if that drops. But for now, have one entry and book your profits. TP1.
Look at that.
TP1, guys.
Amazing end.
TP1 is going towards TP2. Is going towards TP2. Please, guys, book your profits. You know why I don't wait for the best entry when we have a green candle, strong buy. You always have time to enter again if that market doesn't go up straight away. You always have time to enter again, okay? But as you can see, it was powerful. You went straight away to TP1. And if he retraces to your break even, you're out, but you book your profits already. Capital preservation. Yeah, capital
movement.
Capital preservation and book your profits. If you learn how to do that all the time, mechanical approach, you're not stressed, you place the trades with the flow and you keep pressing the button because it's so easy, guys. I can tell you, if you have that, if you have that machine learning on your hands now, I know you'll be smashing it because it's use the formula. We have the formula. Keep using that formula, okay? Don't keep chasing. Wait for the right moment to refresh. 12 possible entries on the hour if you're doing the 5 minutes, okay? You have 12 possible enters in every hour. You don't need to take all of them. Be mindful of that and protect your capital always. Break even and book your profits. As you can see, it's retracing now, should be at your break even. Retracing, you don't care. It's at your break even, you're out, you book your profits, and you're waiting for the next one. The next one will not refresh with you. The session is finishing.
We'll see you all tomorrow morning.
That's it.
If it's been profitable, reach out. If you want to talk about anything, reach out. If you want to join us, if you're not in, please, 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 please. There's only one thing we ask is subscribe and like the video, subscribe to the channel. That's the only way we get any recognition. That's the only thing we ask of you. The rest of it, by all means, take it all for free because that's what we're here for. We're a community of successful traders. Okay, Mateus, you can see us out. We are now 2 minutes and counting till this session ends. We've got our last session tomorrow morning, whereby the Friday morning we go with the afternoons.
Friday already.
I cannot believe it, Mateus.
Unbelievable.
Where did the time go?
I don't know.
I think we're having fun. That's why we like it.
By the way, if you want to trade in weekends, soon you'll be able to do that, okay? In the future, you'll be able to do that. But right now, stick with the weekly Monday to Friday and make your profits.
Yeah, that should be enough.
Yeah, it should be more than enough. But of course, we understand people work. They are doing the night sessions. 11 to 1, by the way, is a good time to trade. 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. UK time is a good time to trade. If you want to do that session, go for it. But
it's the best session. That's what the stats on our back office prove. 11 to 1. is the best trading session you can have.
If you're doing that session, I will not do that session, but if you're doing that, let us know how you're getting on. If it's very, very, very good, then we can think about do some days Asia session.
Actually, you know, Matthias, I trade the Sunday Open, so maybe we'll see.
Maybe
We'll see.
let's see. Yeah. Okay.
Take care. But then usually I'm in my pajamas and all the rest of it, right? So
Yeah.
maybe not.
Well, you want to trade
Take care, my
relax.
friend. Take
See
care,
you.
guys. All the best. Yeah. Enjoy it. Have a profitable trading session. We're done now. So thank you so much. Market is dropping again.
Bye for now, guys.
Shall we see?
Refresh.
Shall we see, Matthias, where it goes to?
Oh, did you refresh? I didn't refresh on that one.
I did refresh, but I didn't take a. I'm not taking signals. I just wanted to see where the market goes. Look at what it's
Okay.
doing.
It's still a
Something's
buy.
obviously going on under this, right? Yeah, let's give it a few
Yeah.
minutes. We can't leave on this note. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look what she's
Changing.
doing.
Think about it's changing the hour. If you refresh, it's still a buy. But now is the changing of the hour. Okay, you didn't always when we change hours. Be mindful. Sometimes could be a retracement on that last candle. Sometimes, not all the time. You just have some experience. You will see those things. Okay, when you start to place trades all the time, you will see those things. Right now we are positive. We went to the range. We are positive.
There's the hour. We talked about this. Look what it's doing now. So interesting.
It's still on that small range. Remember, we have that 1 hour now. You have been positive a little bit, not TP1 nearby, but didn't went to TP1.
You had a good day trading wise, Matthias?
Great. I was just slowing down on the afternoon because the morning was so great.
Yeah.
But because we are here, we keep pressing the button, of course, make good use of our time, but otherwise you can be positive straight away the beginning of the session on the mornings, and that's it for the day.
Tell me something. You like the 4 hour without anything that's going on? Where's this market going? Look at that. Look at that drop. Did you see that?
Yep. Yeah.
That's on a 4 hour. I'm gonna shoot. Wow.
Guys, what we do on sometimes we do that. We have the retracement on the hour. That doesn't mean we still going up, but it's just a retrace. That's why that buy for me was not too strong, because I want to wait for that retracement. Okay. I tend to, especially on the hour, I tend to wait for that retracement. Then I can use my hard stop. If I wait for that, I will use my hard stop and go for it. If it's still a strong buy, on that case, the buy was nice, not as strong as before, but it's still a buy. Okay.
Wonderful. Right, my friend. I shall see you tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Take
Bye
care.
for now.
Yeah. Profitable trading.
Bye.